We'll find it. Oh, right in the face.
Hey, what up? It's me, Kayana, and I'm with Dustin.
Dustin.
So he's gonna ask me some questions about me. So, what's your first question?
Where are you originally from?
Well, actually, I was born here. I was raised here, and my father was born here too. So is my mother. I was born at the same country where my mother was born, and so my father was born in Zamboanga. I was born in Visayas.
So you're an actress?
Yes. I used to be a Hollywood actress.
Okay.
CSI Miami and CSI New York. And now it's a Philippine TV show. GMA, you can look it at on YouTube.
And how many different languages do you know?
I'm learning 5. I'm fluent in Tagalog. I'm fluent in English. I'm learning Spanish. I'm learning Arabic. I'm learning Mandarin. I'm learning Visaya. And
Sign language.
that's in sign, that what I just did, like this, that means I'm learning sign language in sign language. So that's how I say it to people when I say I learn sign language. Yeah, I want to learn Klingon.
What's Klingon?
Klingon is an alien language. It's just in Washington. You have this village. If you want to live in that village, you need to be a Klingon. You need to have plastic surgery and look like an alien or look like something.
And this is a real place?
Yes.
Where is this at exactly?
Washington.
Washington. In the United States?
Yes, in Washington. Just for you to live there, you need to look like a Klingon, and most of them speak Klingon, but they're actually humans.
Do you know how to speak it at all?
Well, I'm trying to think if I want to. If you guys watch Star Trek, there was this girl, I forgot her name. She speaks like over 1,000 languages, so she speaks Klingon. If they have to speak to aliens, they need her. So I really like Star Trek.
Do you want to learn this language to speak to aliens or to speak to other Star Trek fans?
Just for fun.
Yeah. So can you say welcome to the Philippines in 5 different languages, or
Oh,
do you?
I'll just say it in Tagalog.
Okay.
Tuloy po kayo sa Pilipinas.
Alright, so what song are you going to sing for us today?
When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling frightened of things that I don't know. When tomorrow comes, when tomorrow comes, when tomorrow comes, and the road is long, I'll look up to the sky, dark is all around, and then I won't fly, and I'll sing along, and I'll sing along, and I'll sing along. I got all I knew and I got you and I, 'cause I look around me and see a sweet light, dark in the dark, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night.
Is there anything else you want to say or do, or
You can video me doing that running thing over there.
the running thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Like what? You're just gonna run?
I'm gonna run all over the place without stopping.
Okay. Is that for exercise?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, I really don't know how to use a hoverboard.
Well, it's really nice meeting you, and good luck with your career.
Yeah, sure.
And keep in contact sometime if you
Yeah,
ever.
yeah.
All right.
I'll see you later in the event.
All right. Take care. Have a good day. Thanks. There's no way. There's no way.